everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I am here to thank everybody for me reaching 250 subscribers. I'm so thankful to all of you, and I wanted to do a short little video to share what I'm going to be giving the winner. This is a cute little sign I just recently made. So what I'm doing now is you get a choice. These are all 5x7s. They all have varnish on them. No, actually they're 8x10s is what they are. So we have this one. You choose from this one. Or that's number 1. And number 2 is the yellow one. Yellow and white, black. Okay. Like I said, they all have varnish. And for number 3, the third one. See if I can get it back here so you can see it better. There you go. That's one of my favorites right there. So these are all varnish. You get to pick from one of these 3. Number 3, and number 2, and number 1. So 1, 2, or 3. So everybody make a comment below. These are for, I'm sorry, but for United States only. I apologize. It's just so expensive to ship overseas. So just make a comment below saying you want to be entered, and that you're a subscriber, and in your comment make sure you put down whether you like number 1, 2, or 3. That way when I do the winner in about a week, I will announce who won it, and I will send out that particular painting once I get their address. Also, I am going to put a little prize in there as well. So please don't forget to enter, and thank you all so much. This means so much to me. Thank you again. Everyone have a great night, and we got another giveaway coming up in a few days. It's the beginning of June here in a few days, so we're doing another giveaway then too. Alright, y'all have a great night. Thanks.